Thank you so much, Bjorn, for your time and for your partnership with India-Sweden Innovation Day and your support. You were one of the first supporters to promote the business links between India and Sweden, and we are extremely grateful for your support from day one. Thank you. So, I would now like to invite Ekkono. We have Jon Lindén, the CEO and founder from Ekkono. You are. This is going to be a startup session. That means you get 2 minutes.
Okay.
And my first question to you, Jon, is tell us about Ekkono. What does it solve? What's its USPs? And where are you today? You have 60 seconds.
Okay. So Ekkono is a leading pioneer in edge machine learning software with customers like ABB, Volvo, Siemens Energy, Alfa Laval, and Husqvarna. And the prospect of IoT for these companies is that they extend the relationship with the products to after they leave the factory, which means that they can see how they're being used, how they feel, help run them in a more sustainable way, even upgrade them in the field. And this requires automation, and automation spells machine learning. Our machine learning, the uniqueness about it is that we can run on board the products and actually learn individually per device how it operates in a normal behavior to detect deviations, to help maintain them, but also to simulate how it can run in the most sustainable way.
Thank you. And what is the social or environmental or economic impact?
Well, I'd say the sustainability impact is huge in many different ways. First of all, I argue that this is the next big sustainability leap. Because after doing products as efficient and in the general design as possible, we help manage them so they run every individual device as energy efficient as possible. And by doing so, you actually extend the product life by maintaining them and avoiding fatal wear. And the really cool prospect for the future is when products actually get better and better the more you use them.
And my last question is on your organization and feasibility. You have 30 seconds on that.
Okay, so the product is based on over 7 years of university research at the University of Borås, led by my co-founder, our CTO, Richard Koenig. I'm a serial entrepreneur. I took my previous company in the telecom space to Silicon Valley, took it public on the New York Stock Exchange. We did over 100 million in revenue. 2 of my longtime colleagues joined me as co-founders. We have a kick-ass team of data science PhDs.
How many?
And, we are a total of 12.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.
This was, please give him a big round of applause. We love to support startups, and we have fantastic, really interesting startups. So this is actually part of our session on Industry 4.0 and future sustainable manufacturing. We are talking about India and Sweden's green transition, and the industry transition is, of course, an important part.